we'll guide you through how to create a Wix AI chatbot. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Wix website and log into your account. Once you're in, navigate to your dashboard. You need to select the site where you want to add the chatbot. On the left-hand side, click on the Apps section to open Wix's App Market. In the search bar at the top, type Wix Chatbot and hit Enter. You'll see several options, but for AI capabilities, look for Wix's own AI chatbot or any other reputable AI chatbot that fits your needs. Click on it and then select Add to Site. Once it's added, go back to your dashboard and click on Edit Site to open the Wix editor. Now, you need to integrate the chatbot into your website. In the editor, look for the Add button on the left toolbar. It looks like a plus sign. Click it, then go to Interactive and choose Wix Chatbot. Drag and drop it onto your page wherever you want your chatbot to appear. After placing it, click on the chatbot to open its settings. Here, you can customize the chatbot's appearance, set up automated responses, and integrate AI features. Make sure you configure the chatbot to answer frequently asked questions or guide users through your site. You can also connect it to a service like Zapier for more complex automations. Don't forget to test the chatbot by clicking the Preview button to ensure it's functioning as expected. Once you're satisfied with the setup, click Publish to make your changes live. Now, your site is equipped with a smart AI chatbot ready to assist your visitors. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.